Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's Day card. You will need glue, white bottled glue or glue stick, scissors, a pencil, and a marker. You will need a 9x12 piece of white, pink, and or red paper. You will also need a smaller piece of red and or pink paper, 6 by 9 inches. First, fold the red paper in half from short side to short side of the rectangle. Fold it once, crease it, and then I'm going to turn it this way, and then it'll be ready for gluing the heart to. The red paper will be your card. I'm going to move it over for now. Next, I'm going to take the pink paper and make a heart. So I'm going to fold the pink paper in half from short side to short side. And for this, I'm going to draw with colored pencil so you can see it better on the camera. Then I'm going to turn it kind of at a slant with the folded part on the left. And starting near the top, I'm going to make a big curved line like a letter J. Like that. Now I'm going to draw a smaller letter J. And a smaller letter J. And one more, even smaller. We were drawing half of the heart shape. Now it's time to cut. Keeping the paper folded, I'm going to cut out the largest J first. We're going to use this piece of paper later, so hold on to it. Now cut out the next size J that we did. Keep this. Cut along the next curved line that we drew. Keep this. One more time. We're going to take this piece that we cut first, and I'm going to unfold it and glue it to the front of the card. Make sure that the folded part is at the top so that it opens up from the bottom like this. See, you don't want the heart to be upside down. You can use bottled glue or glue stick for this. I think I'm going to use glue stick. Now that's glued on the front. Now we're going to take one of the smaller hearts that we cut out. Now this one fits right in there, so we're going to keep this for later. We're going to go to the next size heart, this one, and we're going to glue it like that. I'm going to glue it with the pencil side down so it looks cleaner. Try to get it centered as best as you can. If you get glue stick glue showing, it will dry clear, so don't worry about that. Take your next size heart that we cut out. Now this one would fit right in there, so that one we're going to save for later. We need the smallest one, which is this one. Now you see the pencil line? I'm going to put the glue on this side so that the pencil line is face down. So the hearts get smaller and smaller, or you could say they're getting bigger and bigger. So that's the front of the card. It's got symmetry. If you divide it right down the middle, we have the same shapes, same lines, same colors on both sides. Now we're going to work on the inside of the card, and for that, we're going to take these extra hearts that we didn't use on the cover, and we're going to put them on the inside of the card. Now you can put it here at the bottom, Or if you want, you could put them on the top part. It's up to you. I think I'm gonna put it on the top. That way I can write a message on the bottom or draw a picture. So I'm gonna use the glue stick again, and this is the side with the pencil line. So I'm going to put glue on that side. So that's face down. Then I'm gonna take the smaller heart and that's gonna go on the inside. Now you can address the card to someone, to your Valentine. You can write to and put their name. On the inside, you could write them a message. You could write Happy Valentine's Day, which I think I'll do right now. Nice and big. Make sure you spell Valentine's Day correctly. Happy. I hope you enjoyed making this Valentine's Day card with me. Now you have a card to give your special someone. Happy Valentine's Day. See you next time.